So we're going to start up here with this rectangle. If I have a rectangle, what's the formula I need to use? Look at that formula chart. How do I find the area? Okay. Base times height. Okay, so 15 times 3. 15 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. 3 times 1 is 3. Plus 1 is 4. Hey, just a reminder, I'm recording this, and I cannot pause like explain everything. So it would be very nice if you could be respectful, write what we're writing down, answer any questions I have, but please do not talk the entire time. You have to come prepared. Okay? So 45 feet squared is our area. Okay, now we're on the triangle, and I know the formula chart gives you a formula, but what did we write down for a triangle? Okay. Okay, so triangle formula, we're going to use base times height divided by 2. So on a triangle like this, our base is the bottom of the triangle. Our height is that little dotted line that goes straight to the top, straight to the point. So that's going to be 8 times 6 divided by 2. So 6 times 8 is 48. Divided by 2, good. And you could do a shortcut, like if you wanted to divide first, you could do that. 8 divided by 2 or 6 divided by 2. But I'm just showing you the long way. So 48 divided by 2, like Kenneth said, 24. So the area is 24 centimeters squared. So that's how we label area, squared. Okay, next shape. Next shape, I've got my circle. We're gonna do the circle next. So looking at your formula chart, what is the area of a circle formula?
Pi R2.
Okay, pi r squared.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so that r squared means radius squared. What's the radius? 5. If they give us half the circle, that's our radius. We don't have to divide or anything. What about pi? What do we use for pi? Okay, so 3.14 times 5 squared. What is 5 squared? How do we figure? Okay, it's 5 times 5, and that's 25. So 3.14 times 25. Okay, if we're multiplying by a decimal, I'm going to put the number that has the most digits on top, which is 3.14 times 25. Okay, so I got 20, 6, 7, 15, 8, 2, 6. Oh, 15, I'm a goober. 78.5, that's right. Okay, so 78.5 centimeters squared. Okay, this next shape here, what is this shape? Parallelogram. Parallelogram. So, right, I heard it somewhere. We're going to use base times height. So, base of our shape, which is 9, times the height, this little dotted line here, 18. So, 18 times 9. Good.
Oh my gosh.
So 162 yards squared. We are getting close. 2 shapes left. Okay, this third shape on this row, what is this shape? Okay, it's a trapezoid. What is the formula that we wrote down for that?
Base 2 times height divided by 2.
Okay. Times height divided by 2. Okay, so what are we considering the bases? What are those?
3 on top and bottom.
The top and the bottom, so 3 and 4. So let me write this over here to the side. Okay, so base 1, either one, it doesn't matter. We'll say the top is base 1. So 3 plus base 2, 4 times the height. So that's the 3. From the bottom all the way to the highest point. And then divided by 2. So order of operations, do what's in the parentheses first. 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay, then 7 times 3, 21 divided by 2. Good. Top dog in the doghouse, 21 divided by 2. Good, 10.5. centimeters squared.
Who's white out? Somebody white out.
I did, because I got rid of they used to have decimals. I could have left the decimals.
No.
That would have been fun.
No.
That's what we had last year, and it was not fun, let me tell you. Okay, if we have a square, and I only have one measurement, what does that tell you about the other 3 sides? Okay, that they're all the same. What formula should I use?
BH.
Base times height. BH means base times height. So 5 times 5. 25. 25 feet squared. Oh, that's as far as I can do.